Hello everyone. Forgive the congestion in my voice. I've been fighting this cold for the past several days. It's been a struggle, but it seems to be slowly getting better, so we'll get there. So this weekend I spent a fair amount of time working on a narrative document, and I'll be using that when I go into a meeting with an external communications agency tomorrow. In addition, I've lined up some really interesting meetings this week, and some of them are with the DAV Alliance and some are outside of it, organizations that could help us with the DAV network. And I'm really looking forward to getting those done. I'll report back. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Hey there, Davers. So, yesterday I traveled to Berlin from Israel. I managed to work a little bit on the KYC trial on the way here, and today I'm meeting with SkySense, with a guy, and with Andrea over there, and with their drone and charging network. We discussed the charging network we're going to be setting up in Israel and in Trento, and we're going to have more details about that soon. See you tomorrow.
Hi everybody. Yesterday I started to work on Grad Service Provider, a front-end application, and today I'm continuing to work on this task, and that's it for today. Bye.
Hey Davers, I'm back. My email is working perfectly now. Me, Noam, John created a new outbound creative. I'm gonna send it today to all of our contact ones. That will be contact twos over John. Other than that, I'm having a meeting later today with a very interesting startup. We'll see how that will go. It's in the transportation and mobility, and that's it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today did a DailyDAV and upload it, and then for the rest of the day I'm planning on writing and finish my DAV Insider. That will be it for now. Thanks guys.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. Last week most of my time was taken up working on all the information, all the setup for the KYC. Also did a good amount of work towards our affiliate program, a lot of stuff towards that referral program. Everything we're setting up that's pretty much surrounding the KYC as well. Today main focus has been making sure we're in lockstep now that all of the technical details are complete around the affiliate program, making sure that all the marketing is aligned as it goes off across all of our channels, the email blast, everything accordingly there. So that pretty much dominated most of my day, and then I went to a little blockchain event at night. Thanks everybody, have a good day.
Hi guys. Yesterday I continued with more of the analysis and research of the Telegram group that I started last week. Today I'll be continuing with that, as well as answering incoming questions by email. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, yesterday I worked on a beta page for our whitelisting process, which we opened for a limited group of people. And today I worked together with Alex and Yuri on the Blockchain Today webpage and on the deck that is going to be sent to our prospects from the ride-hailing industry. So I hope that both will be done very soon. And well, this is it guys. Thanks.
Hey Davers. So yesterday we performed a test of the KYC process. It went fine, and then we shut it down until the token sale begins. Today I finally got the BeagleBone device, which we need to use to integrate with SkySense. So today I'm going to spend my time integrating and getting started with BeagleBone, really, because I don't know this device. And I have some interviews today as well, and lots of other smaller stuff. So see you tomorrow guys.
Hi guys, yesterday I started new page for our site, Blockchain Today page. Today I'll plan and continue it. We find new solution, and today I will continue embody them. After them I'll start new banners ADS. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.